Hey, welcome back to Rolling Country Outdoors. Scott here. So it is the day before our framing inspection and our outrigger footer inspection. So it's the day before that. We're trying to get this cleaned up across the driveway and the carport cover cleaned up before they get here because they're coming first thing in the morning. I got to call them at like 7:30 in the morning, get a 2-hour window. So we are scrambling to get all of it done before the rain comes in tonight. So I'm expecting rain. So I'm sure the footers will have water in them in the morning when it gets here, but we'll get those cleaned out before we actually pour concrete. So that's what we're working on this morning. I'm coming up here to get the tractor so I can get stuff moved around down there. We're kind of scrambling, so we'll film as much as we can. Hang tight. Probably have to turn it that way if we can. Get everything to sit in there.
It's too light.
Just set it up, it's fine.
What do you say? On the side?
Just lift it up and set it back. the hose. We're gonna take this trailer up the hill, drop it off, put the tractor up, and call it quits. It's about to start raining. Believe it or not, we have a little bit of grass coming up over here since we did have that little bit of rain Sunday. We got the grass going up the hill here. From Rolling Country Outdoors. It is inspection day, so I'm just waiting on the inspector to get here. They're supposed to be here between 8 and 10, so kind of got everything cleaned up a little bit, moved around so you can see all the framing. Got the truck and trailer out of here, so we're just waiting. Hopefully everything goes smooth, and if there's anything identified, we can get it addressed quickly and get on down the road. Then we get the siding on this place wrapped up. I'm ready to start something else. There's one of the holes. A little bit of water in there, but it rained all night, so we did get some rain. Much needed rain though. So anyway, we'll let you know how things go, and wish us luck. Okay, great news. We got the inspection approved. Everything's approved. The framing's approved. The footers are approved. The tile drainage is approved. So we are good to go ahead and complete the shop and get a final. So that was exciting news. Super nice inspector with Carroll County here in Maryland. So thanks to them, and we're ready to continue on. So I'm gonna start on now. It's got the lift down here already. We're gonna start putting the boards up on top up there, those shorter boards, and get that front enclosed, and then we'll just start putting the walls in and getting this thing closed in. So let's roll.